Some intro, huh? Yeah. So yeah, it seems that there are people here. Hello everybody, National 101. In the last episode we escaped the Arkham intensive treatment place. No, it wasn't. One second. What is this? I don't know where we just left. But yeah, in the so now we are going to what are we supposed to do? Find Commissioner Gordon in this video. So yeah, well, he stumbles upon this human manor and it seems some of the guards escaped. But yeah.
Harley tells me that the Batman's car is still parked just outside of the intensive treatment building.
What?
Now, we can't just have him up and leave us.
This is Officer Green. You're outside the mansion. Alone!
That isn't carrying out party orders should head there now and smash it at me.
Oh, they best not touch my car. Hello, Louis Green.
Batman, you got out. What's happening back there? We got directed over here and then the radios died. They keep playing this damn tune over and over.
Joker's in control of the island. He's responsible for sending you over here.
How did he get out? I mean, you're here and...
An Arkham guard named Frank Bowles betrayed you all. He broke out Joker and killed him when he was no longer needed.
some loyalty. Do you need any help?
No, you and your men are safer here. I'll find you if I need anything.
Oh, best go save my car. Ah! Yes, that's the car, alright.
Oracle, disable the Batmobile's countermeasure system.
I saw the alert. What's wrong? Where are you?
I'm outside the Arkham mansion. Harley Quinn probably triggered the alarm. If she's still got Gordon with her,
God, that
we could
moon
get
is
her.
massive.
The Batmobile is still parked up outside the intensive treatment building in Arkham North. I sent you the schematics for the entire island.
They
I've
best
marked
not
key
be scratching
locations
the
like your car.
frickin' paint.
Thanks, Oracle.
Oh my god, and I hate this. They best not be scratching the frickin' paint. What the frick happened here?
I can't believe it. They killed Jackson.
Stay with your colleague. I'm ending this. Now.
Okay. Grapple onto there, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Aha! Take 'em all. That's how you do it. Now about my car. Oh my god!
The entire island will be under fire.
God dang it, I was gonna be. Correct. Ah! Okay, what am I trying to do? Aha! Oh man! That was a good fight.
There's a supply of explosive gel in the trunk of the Batmobile.
Oh my god, they
I may
wrecked
need it.
my fucking car. Where's the trunk? Guessing this is it. Explosive gel can be to destroy structural weakness around Arkham. Explosions may harm bystanders.
Harley
Alright.
trashed the car. Looks like there was a scuffle. I need to search the area around the Batmobile.
There could be a clue as to where she took Gordon.
Okay. Oh.
This is Gordon's pipe. Barbara gave it to him. There's no way he'd leave it.
Wherever you are, even you. Yes, you.
Even you. Yes, you. No, not you. Him.
Gordon's
No,
to
no,
Buffalo.
not you.
Gordon's smarter than he looks. Left him a trail to follow. Oracle, I found a pipe. It has your father's initials carved on it.
It was a birthday gift I gave him last year. There's no way he'd leave it.
Exactly. He's left me a trail to follow. He's alive, Barbara. The security doors are locked. I'm going to have to find another way around to get back on Gordon's trail. The wall ahead is weak enough for my explosive gel to blow through and open up a new path.
You know, watching you guys is like a night in watching my favorite movie. Oh yes, Attack of the Stupid Bumbling Idiots who can't find an even bigger idiot running around like a bat. Now get to it.
I don't know. I hate when it does that. Ow, ow, ow. Batman can survive an explosion to the face. Can Superman do that? Probably. Through here. Oh, here comes my favorite room in the game.
I'm just sitting here watching cartoons. If any of you fine Blackgate rejects is bored, come over and see me. Don't look up when you open the door. It'll spoil the surprise and my experiment.
Wonder what they're trying to build here. It can't be good if it's yours. I know we're in a rush to, you know, find Commissioner Gordon, but let's go into this building. I like the physics of the cave. Visitor's room.
Come in. Sit down. Take off your mask. So, Bats, I was thinking, you really could use a friend in here. Someone to talk to, share secrets with. Who is that behind the mask? Why do you feel the need to go out into the world and fight people like me? Do you really think you can win? We'll see.
This room is by far the scariest one in this, well, the scariest room in all of Arkham Asylum. It's first person. It's creepy. It has Joker in it, and you always expect something to just break through these glass windows, but it never does. And that's why it's my favorite room. I think I'm gonna stop here in a second. Alright. Let's go put our new item to the test. Do you hear something? You know, at that moment, I just keep losing megabytes when I record for some reason. It keeps interrupting. So I was like, screw it. I'm done. I'm just done for right now. So I'll see you later. Bye. I'm done. Then this best show up on the video.